Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to video call on Grindr app. So if you also want to video call on Grindr app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Grindr application. This application is available both in Play Store and App Store. So you can download it from there. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you look at bottom, you'll be able to find several options over here. You can see the option for browse, interest, inbox, faves and store. All you have to do is tap on the inbox option. Now you'll be led to your inbox. You'll be able to see all your messages over here. Simply tap on the message of the person that you want to video call. Now you can see over here that particular chat will be opened. If you look at bottom, you'll be able to find several options over here. At the bottom left corner, you'll be able to see the camera icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here this kind of menu will appear. You can see three options over here: add photo, video, my album. All you have to do is tap on the video option that you can see at the middle. After that, you'll be led to another interface. In that interface, what you have to do is select call. After that, video call will be started. So that is how you video call on Grindr app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.